3 seconds. Ken Bam! Hey! Ken Sanchez kanina mo yun! This is the last 3 minutes! Bam! Hey! 3 seconds! 40 down. Kick out to Ken Lightning and Sanchez! 30 down, 3-point shot. Bam! Ken Sanchez! On the comeback from the drop by 3. Bam! Shut down! Shut down! The Ken Lightning. Kenya, pass to Ken Brigham. Woo! 5 down on the shot clock. Successful try! Down shot clock natin. 3-point shots. Bang! 3! The Kent Lightning. Kent. Screen on Mamadou. Having the kick. Kent. Hey! So, Jerick Knuckle. 10 down to Kent. Bam! 3! Kromlet, ikakasala. First ball possession. Their scorer, Da Tikas Kapampangan. Ano natin yan? Basta may team foul number 1 kayo. Reverse. Basket for 2. First 2 points from the Tikas Kapampangan. Ito na si Kylo Chavo. Yung mga alaga ni Mams Peno. Nandito, Chavo. Yes! Confirmed! This moment terrible! Kylo Chavo. Thirty down. Ojulat. Answer from down. Magic for 2. 5. Ochavo. 15 down to Ken Sanchez. Now to 3. Double 4. Sa bawat laban dito sa playoffs, di pwedeng walang egoy. 14 down, Lancer, pass to Ojula. And then maangas na egoy sa Pinas para malaman. Kylo Chavo, 5 down. Another whistle blow foul for Tikas Tifel. 3-point shots. Okay. Ken Pagyan and M1. Miko, 5 from the hook. Hits. A block by the Skywalker. What a defense. Tapal hinabol ni Skywalker. And now by Emmanuel Ojula. Foul on number, penalty tayo. Ito eh. Emon Ojula. That was a short on C. Outlet pass and Jade Rivera. The MLS, the layup. Here's the 2 points. Down, 3-point shots. Alonso. Mass back rebound on Emmanuel Ojula. Push now to the Kid Lightning. Set up to the ball pick ni Pabian sa 3. Dishon, rebound on Emmanuel Ojula. Down pass behind reporters. So on the behind on Ojula. And basket on Kid Rivera. Great bounce. Pick and roll. Cut down. Lassi Balasi. The down shot block natin. 3-point shots. Bang! 3! The Kent Lightning. down, shot clock. De La Cruz, par 3. Nagay pa rin. Di makaporma sa box out. Etong si Mamadou Ojula. Galing bumax out ni Ojula. Now on the Kid Lightning. Bopek, Ojula, open, extra drop back. Now on number 41 on the block. Here comes Alonso. Left and the right, pull up, miss. Ojula, ito na yung presa na. Yung Cromlech for this game number 2. 10 down, shot clock. Jade Rivera, move inside. Bounce to Renz. 3 to shoot, 2 minutes on the game clock. Eto si Renz, kailangan mahitira. Bang! That's a possible play! Ochabo. Gets a steal, Ochabo. Pass down to number 2, Pingaroo. It's a foul. What happened? Boom. Number 18, Renz Victoria. Foul. Edu Rivera. Second drill. Gets split. Again, the 2 seconds to release. And the buzzer sound. 24/7. Isang linggo at isang oras. Bam! Bam! 3! Ken Sanchez! Kyle Ochabo. Pass to Jerick McPeel. Kent. That is a top deep basket. Nakaisa. Etong si Mamadou Toure. Mga bowlers. Tingnan natin kung makahabol. Dito sa turns up. Habang maaga pa, yung ating Cromlech, Mr. Piso Piso. Jerick McPeel, 10 down to 10. Bam! Whee! Swing back from the top side. Step na! Oh! Sanchez. 40 down. Swing down. Wala kay Kent. Screen on Mamadou. Grab the kick. Kent. Ali, isolation. Again. At ito, gumaganda na yung depensa. Dito ni Mamadou. Kick out. 3-point shot. Kyle Ochabo. 15 seconds. Ochabo. Laban. Kay Ojula and Mamadou. Will get it open. Without over the Cromlech. Jerick McPeel. Down on the front block. 5 down on the front block. Successful trade. That's a 15. The comeback from the Cromlech 3. Bang! Shut down. Shut down. The headlining. That's enough. Sabi daw, dito ni Kenji Estalilla. Deadlock 27 for that shotting down 3. Number 8, pass to Jerick McPeel. Ball quick, head down, shot block, screen, head. Now Ochabo, release. The shot block. Emmanuel Ojula, 10 down, shot block. Bagbag, Kaldag, pasa the hook, basket for 2. Signature hook shots. 15 down, shot block. There comes now by Kyle Ochabo. Naghahanap ng kakuntsaba dito. Here now by Jerick. The piso-piso. Yes, sir! Jerick McPeel. 15 down, shot block natin. Jade, the 3-pointers. Good. Rebound natin para dito kay Ochabo. And that's a whistle. It's a foul. 3 minutes. 10 down, shot block. 8 seconds. 1 down. Jerick McPeel. The return of the comeback by Mr. Piso Piso, the original Jerick McPeel. 2 minutes and 8. Bounce pass. Post by Ojula. Kid Lightning, Mark Cosal open. Bang bang. 3 points. 30 down, shot block. Mamadou. Pass to Jerry Napil. Hand down. Knock knock. Who's there? Piso piso. 40 seconds. The post. That's good. 5 down. On the game block to the buzzer. And the score is good. Finish that last basket on Jeffrey Michael C. 38-33. Pulls by Ojula. Down from the teardrop, short, offensive rebound, hook, on Reds Victoria to the Kid Lightning. Estalilia, 40 down, shot block, pass to number 18. Ojula, the mismatch. Red wing for Kenya. Pass to Ken. Dribble, Ken Sanchez behind to Belches. Yes, sir. Oh, there's a whistle. 30 down, 3-point shot. Ken Sanchez. Come on, boys, 7-point lead now from the Pampanga Ballers. 40 down. Kick out to the Kid Lightning. And 73. Rather getting the field. Pass to J.R. Bugardagala. Pass. Check ball. The little weapon. Basket. 5-30. Gomez. Pass down to Jeric Papian. No three. Missed. The playing Consular basket. Jeric Papian. Through the town, Alonso. Number 3. Jeffrey C. Rebound. For the baby. Pull up. Baseline. Basket for 2. Back at 8. 5. Nakawala na Ojula. Automatic. May foul tayo dun, no? Made first. 1-point lead signal on Leo De La Cruz. De La Cruz pass down out of shot. Hand time in one. That is a no can't miss. First squid. Your attitude. 3 minutes exactly on the game clock. Levy Hernandez. Nice bounce and under net. Number 2. Drummer roll down. Get to Fabian. Rainier Gomez. Gomez pull up. There's a foul for the shooting. Boy. 9-point leads from the Pampanga Ballers. Gomez. Pass to Jane Rivera. Jonathan Reyes. It's a 54, 8-point leads. Turning down shot clock. One pass. Number 2. Yes, sir. Begin natin. Last shot eh. Boom! That is a success. 3-point shots. Release. Ball in the air. It's a success. Here in the fourth quarter of the Lions. Sino ba? Yung mananalo dito. Again. Rebound. Ma-extend kaya yung ating game. 3 seconds.
Nabawi, boss.
Ito na yung sagot. Binawi na ni Ken Sanchez. 49-59. Down, shot low, close. Pass, back, Glancer. Now number 9, Good shot basket by the baby hook, Santos. 10 down, 3-point shots. Look at our defensive rebounder comes the Scorpion Lancer. Nice drop, the baby Captain Hook. 15 down, shot block. Mama Duture, pass to Jeric Nakpil. In and out, hands along to, like it bounce. Mr. Piso. Oh, hindi nakatingin si Jade. Jade Rivera, di pa rin, di pinasa. 7:35. Here goes the by Nico Santos. Grab the hook. Santos is clean. Ojabo to 3. Air ball. 5 good. Shot clock. 3 seconds. Get bang! Bang! Ken Sanchez coming up with down. 3-point shots. Negative. Ojabo. Pass to Ken Sanchez. Sanchez pull up. Negative. Wala sa depensa si Ojula. Wala si Ojula. 20 on the game ball. Here the board. 12 points. Now into 3-pointers. Good. Jeffrey C. get a rebound. Down to 6 minutes. We're in the board. Kyle Ojabo. Escape from this cover. Ojabo. Hey! Nagwawala yung dalawang small man ni Nars Peno. That's his feet. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Here comes the baby hook. Captain Hook. Nicholas. Rebound jump. Recovered by Jake the Snake. And one. That's better than over Jake Munoz. Complete. And 10-point leads from the Pampanga Bullets. 40 down. And now by Ken Sanchez. 10 down. Nice roll down. Top ball good. Ball out of cover. Copy gun. Back from the Ticas. And Jake, the snake nest, the shot, copy ka na wala, the baby hook. So again, kailangan marinig ako na sabi dito ni Kyle Ojabo. 10 down on the shot clock for an 8. 4 minutes. Ken Sanchez, nice pass. Oh, hey! What a rolling down. Good saving. Ball down, another save. Ball break. Drop pass. Check. Now for Nico Santos. 3 and 40. The baby hook. Oh, it's a reaching foul. Penalty. First serve's good. 7-point lead. Last 3 minutes. Down, shot clock. Screen. Roll up. Sanchez. The go. Back for the Ticas. Break by Papian. Extra drop check. Underneath. Straight back for Jen Papian. Papian back into Munoz. Bang bang. 3. Dirty down, shot clock. And down. 5 down on the shot clock. Nice pass. Slam dunk. Yes. Creating another space. The Wawa is the last 2 minutes. Bang. Down to 3. Pass again. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 10 down, shot clock. 5 down. Ojabo, kick out. 3-point shots. Look out. 1:30 on the game clock. Jack on the screen. Kick down. The snake. Get out of bounds. 17 seconds. From downtown Kid Lightning. Dug it. Big rebound. CJ Kamiya. 9 to 3 seconds across. And down good. 1:15, 3-point lead. Down on the shot clock. Jarek Napil. Go Jabo, 6 seconds. Shots escape down. Last 1 minute. Push by Jarek. And there's the basket. Last 1 minute. Push by Jarek. And there's the basket. It's a 1-point lead. Ashby County is 4-point lead once again, ladies and gentlemen. Here in Columbus Intercommercial. 13 down on the shot clock. 10 down shot clock. 5 down on the shot clock. 3 seconds, pull up. Gravity. Ay, kasasabi ko lang. 10 down. The pros, the setup from downtown. 3 nugget, follow up. Wala, Angela, trying it again. Wala pa rin. Angela, wala. Yes! Nakikusap kami sa mga drama. 16 seconds. Change favor. Seconds. First lead. Count from 3. Oh, basket, Pedro. That's it, man.